Welcome to IDB, everybody. It is Andrew here. DJI has just announced the brand new Osmo Mobile 2. We went hands-on with the original Osmo, and while it was a great gimbal, there was quite a few complaints that kind of made it really hard to 100% recommend. I mean, it was a straight-up great gimbal, but a few limitations really held it back, including the battery life kind of sucking. Well, this new model has a completely new button layout. Makes it a whole lot easier to control the gimbal while you're using it. You have that joystick in that top left hand side to move the gimbal and orientation around, the record button on that right hand side to actually take a photo or start recording a video, and the mode button on the bottom. On the left hand side, you're able to zoom in and out on your photo, especially if you're using their app. On the back bottom, you also have a USB port out because the battery life has improved greatly. You can now actually get between up to maybe 15 hours or so of battery. So there's a USB output to plug directly into your phone. That way you can charge your phone at the same time that you're using it in the gimbal. They've also removed the sensor that would let the gimbal know if the phone was in the gimbal or not. There's also an entirely new body. You notice this new color, this kind of gray color. It's a new nylon body, which has really done a lot in keeping the weight down. It is surprisingly lightweight. It's actually really lightweight, but it still feels nice and sturdy, though of course it still is more or less a plasticky body compared to some of the metal gimbals out there that we've looked at. In actual use, it works pretty solid. I mean, I can throw pretty much anything at it. A few sharp jerks would maybe tilt the phone a little bit, but even moving quite vigorously, it was really tough to kind of dislodge the camera from where its orientation was, at least in this mode. So basically overall, the DJI Osmo has completely improved over the first generation. So you'd expect it to carry a similar price tag. Well, that's not the case, and in fact, DJI has dropped the price from that kind of ridiculous $249, $299 original price down to $129 when this thing launches. It'll be available for pre-order starting on January 23rd, and it'll actually exclusively be available from Apple right at the beginning before opening up to all other DJI resellers. So let us know what you think of the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 down in the comments. Go ahead and subscribe. Till next time, this is Andrew for ITB.